Alright guys, we got a 2015 VW Passat. What we got done on it, factory converter there. Then it's straight pipe from the factory into a resonator, usually over here, that we just cut off, as you guys can see, and did a resonator delete. And then also we did a muffler delete to make it extra loud. That's what he wanted, that's what we gave him. There's the muffler, there's the resonator that we cut off, as you guys can see. There it is. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. VW Passat TSI. Yeah, sounds good. Wow. That's pretty loud. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 113, guys. That's awesome. Again. That doesn't sound too bad. I like the tip on it too. It came out nice. Go ahead and back it out. Does she approve? Yeah. Turbo, right? So it's a turbo VW Passat. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. VW Passat straight pipe turbo TSI. Nice. Enjoy, guys.